Hey guys, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Wooded Wayward 2022 Gordon. So here's the front, the top, side, the bottom, the other side, the back. Let's see 2022 Gordon looks like. The 2022 Gordon looks like inside the packaging. And now I'm going to unbox 2022 Wooded Wayward Gordon off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just unboxed Wooded Wayward 2022 Gordon. Let's take a look at Gordon. Here's the front, side, the bottom, the top, the other side. Let's take a look at his tender. So here's the front, side, the top, the bottom, the back, and the other side. Let's see Gordon once well on the Wooded Wayward track. Gordon once well. Well, that is a great one with Wooded Wayward 2022 Gordon. Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Send a comment, press like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.